Hey guys, GCSE STEM here. In today's video, we are going to be covering the topic of Bidmas. Now, if we take a look at this equation, it may look really long and complicated, but in essence, it can be split up into 5 easy parts: the addition, the brackets, the division, the index, and the multiplication. Now, each of these parts are known as an operation, and an operation needs to be done in a specific order in order to get the correct answer. Now, we have a special acronym for memorizing the order of these operations, and the acronym goes as Bidmas. And Bidmas starts off with brackets, which are, as you've seen before in the previous slide, indices or index, depending on what you've learned before, and they are typically the little numbers on top of other numbers, such as like cubed or squared, and are known as powers: division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now, one thing to note with Bidmas is that whenever you're doing an equation with either addition and subtraction solely, or multiplication and division, is that you would always do it from the left to the right. So you wouldn't do 2 plus 8 plus 4 plus 32 plus 40 and then do the subtractions. You do it like literally from left to right, and vice versa for division and multiplication. The reason for this is because addition and subtraction and multiplication and division are commutative. Now, if we take a look back at our example, we have 4 plus bracket 8 divided by 2 close bracket squared times 3. Now, the first step in solving this equation would be doing 8 divided by 2, which would give us 4 squared, which would give us 4, and then we'd have to square that. Now, the reason I haven't put brackets around 4 squared is because due to it being the only operation in our bracket, we can simply remove them. Now, the second step in solving this equation is the timesing by 3. So you can do 4 squared, or 16 as I've chosen, times 3, and that would give us 48. Now, the final step in this equation would be doing 48 plus 4, as we've already done the brackets, done the division, done the index, done the multiplication, and finally have the addition left. So what we would do is we would do 48 plus 4, and that would give us 52 as our final answer. Now, if you want to copy this down, please feel free to pause the video and do so, and rejoin when you're ready. Now, if we take a look at one more example, this example may look slightly complicated, but in essence it has the same principle in working it out. We have brackets 3 cubed minus 4 times 4 close bracket squared, and then that is minus by brackets 4 squared plus 14 minus 3 close brackets. Now, the first step in solving this yield side equation is starting off with the left side of it. So, and due to everything being in brackets, we'd start off with 3 cubed, and now 3 cubed would give us 27, as it's 3 times 3 times 3. Now, the next step in this equation would be doing 4 times 4 times minus 4. So 4 times minus 4 would give us 16, as multiplication is the next step inside the brackets, as the brackets was the first step, just in case you're confusing it with this other power over here. So what we would do is we would do times 4 times minus 4, so 4 times minus 4, and that would give us minus 16. Now, the final step to do inside the bracket would be 27 minus 16, and that would give us 11. So finally we have 11 squared, and 11 squared, hopefully if you remember your timetables, would give you 121. Now, over to the right side of this equation, brackets 9 squared would give us 81. And the second step in this equation would be addition, as addition is just before subtraction over here. So 81 plus 14 would give us 95. And the final step in this equation would be doing 95 minus 3, and that would give us 92. So overall, the final step we have to do is 121 minus 92, and that would give us 29 as our final answer. So well done guys, you finally mastered Bidmas. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a like and thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel for more STEM related GCSE content, and share this video with anyone else who you think would be struggling with Bidmas. Until next time.